Reed switch is made from two thin blades, cut out from shaving a razor separated from one another. You can also buy a simple red switch for this purpose. Ferrite core coil works efficiently. Electrical coils are normally wound so that, when energized with a short pulse of current, they produce a repulsive force. This repulses the magnet in the rotor, causing it to rotate. After being energized by a short pulse, the magnetic field formed around the electrical coil then collapses. As it collapses, a current is produced in the coil, sometimes called back EMF electromotive force. This current is small and can be harnessed, stored or utilized.
Changing reed switch position left or right may increase or decrease rotor speed.
Rotor speed seems to be increasing.